Yeah, hi Emily, Mr. Lang here. I hope you can hear me. I have to talk a little low right now, but your document looks pretty good. Your envelope looks great. A couple things though, as I scroll down and look through your business letter here that I want to bring to your attention. So first of all, I'm going to turn on your show hide, and I noticed that you went and used this feature here to bring in the left indent. So it looks like you're able to turn your rulers on, which is a great thing, but we want to set a left tab stop at 4 inch, not using the left indent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this over here, right, and then I'm going to bring this back to the left hand side right about there, and you should see, well, I thought I just redid that. Let's try this again. So I'm going to bring this over here, and then I'm going to go ahead and drag this back to the left, and yes, you can see that you pressed your tab key and it only indented its traditional half-inch space. I'm going to go ahead and backspace that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go right up to the number 4, and I want my mouse right on the number 4, and I'm going to click. That put a little L there, if you will, and if I hover over it, you can see now I have a left tab set up at that location. This location right here lets me know that I have a left tab as well. Now if I ever needed to change that to a right tab, or a center tab I should say, I can set it to a center tab or a right tab, which I have to move off of it and then move back on it for it to have the little icon there, let me know what's going, the tooltip I should say. So I'm back to the left align, and now when I press my tab key, it brings me over to the 4 inch. I also noticed that you only have 2 enters between your date and the address. You're going to want one more of those. So I'm going to press enter one more time. Now I have 1, 2, and 3 for the proper spacing there. So go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and look at your table here. And I noticed that you have times being centered, as well as this time here. We need to edit all of your titles. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight through here, and I'm going to go ahead and center that. And now I'm going to highlight here, because this information, or click right in here I should say, or we can highlight it, this needs to be left aligned there. So everything lines up nice and neat. Boom. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and your times all line up nice, and your titles across here. Scrolling down, your bulleted points look great, and then again down below here, now we have used this feature here, which is the inaccurate way to do it. We should have a tab here. So I'm going to highlight all of this, and I'm going to bring this back to the left and put it back in its default location. And now I'm going to go ahead and click again right on the number 4. But actually, let me click right here. Just in case you didn't get it right on the 4, what can you do? Oh man, I missed the 4. I can actually put my mouse right on that, and I can click and drag. So I'm holding down the mouse, left key, and I'm going to drag that right on the number 4. That's where we need it to be. I'm going to click in front of Sincerely, tab once, Camden, tab once, and Park District, tab once. And now I have the proper way to indent that to the 4 inch tab stop. So let me go ahead and turn off your show hide again, and now looking at this, our title looks great. Our date is set to the 4 inch tab stop that I'll be looking for. You have proper spacing, your table looks excellent, and then your complementary close looks excellent as well. So if you can please go ahead and make those adjustments, you should be able to do so on your Mac just fine. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. Have a great day.